Have you not been able to get changed?
Of course I haven't. You know how difficult it is to get out of one of these? I had to get out of it in a coffin.
In the shop, James said he'd do the starter, Richard the pudding, and me the main course. But this was the sticks.
So, do you have any steak?
Nope.
Pork?
Nope.
Lamb?
Nope.
Bacon?
No, I'm afraid, sorry.
The washers aren't part of the meal. I've just got those because I like them.
Do you have any butter?
No.
Lard?
Struggling.
Margarine?
Despite the lack of choice, we soon had enough for our dinner. So, back at the campsite, we parked up and got cooking.
Right, what I'm going to cook tonight is spam slices coated with a crushed, cheesy, popular snack item. So first, using the fork, we crush up the cheesy comestibles.
Here is what I propose for dessert. I'm going to make Eton mess crossed with trifle. I couldn't find any of those sponge fingers, but then I had an absolutely brilliant idea. I'm going to use bread, lining the bowl with the sponge fingers. Now we put our ice cream yoghurt in, like that.
Right, the water is boiling, so it's time to start preparing the vegetables. Here they are.
So, thin slices, about 1/8 of an inch, or about 2.5 millimetres in Roman Catholic.
But flavour the flowers with just a couple of pickled onions.
Chocolate, not a problem. Any amount of that can go in. There. Bit of that.